it's Mary, and I want to show you how I assemble my ring light and tripod as a new influencer and YouTuber. All right, so I'm going to go into my camera bag here that's on my bed, and I'm going to grab out this right here. This is my tripod that goes to my ring light. It is a black unit. Okay, I'm trying so hard to just do this. Okay, we're gonna need to take a little look-see, yeah. Take a little look-see. Okay, then we're going to start adjusting the height. This is the first height marker. And this tripod is in the color black. Okay. So I've got it up to the second height marker. Okay. I'm trying here, y'all. Okay. Yeah, that's way more stable now than it was. Okay. Now, this isn't like my UV size, but I'm gonna work with it. So with my UV size, I just, oh, I hit the darn thingy-mabobber. So with the UV size, I just put it on and turn a wheel, but with this, I can't do that. So I put it on and I turn, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm turning the ring light. And this will also, sad to say, cause your cord to wrap crazy distances. Around your tripod. So I'm gonna try something new today, putting it over my shoulder. All right. So I'm gonna lower this down a little bit because with the ring light, it's just way too tall. So I'm gonna undo this knob here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay. Yeah, that works. And then I'm just gonna boop, sit that son of a gun straight up. All right. I don't know why it's doing that, but it's okay. Gonna be careful with it. All right, and then I'm gonna go over to my I had to drop the cord for a second, you'll see why. I had to go over to my bag, and I'm going to pick up this end right here. Ooh, sorry, this end right here of the cord. And yes, this is a 4-porter cube, but it's the only USB cube I could find. So I put it in my bag. And then I'm going to just plug that into the cube and then plug that into my drop cord. And that's basically, I'm sorry, I was fiddling with it, how you assemble it. Now I'm going to show you how I disassemble it. So I'm going to start off by unplugging the cord and letting it drop. Walk it over. Popping the cube into the bag. Then I'm going to start to unscrew my ring light, and I gotta be careful because I've dropped this thing once. I think that's why it's doing what it did, but yeah. Let's just say this thing can't handle any drops. All right. So then, once that, I can't go that way, frick. Okay. So then, I'm gonna move this out the way for now. So then, once this is off, I'm gonna take okay. Okay. So I'm gonna take this, put it under my chin like that, and then I'm just gonna start grabbing the cord and going like that. If I had one of those fancy Velcro cord straps, I'd use that. Now I'm gonna move this back to where it was because we have something to do here. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you how to disassemble your tripod with your ring light on it, or off of it. So, all right. So remember this, I'm gonna take this out of its baggie. It's very careful. It's gotta be done very carefully. I'm gonna put this in its own separate case after this. So, all right, I'm gonna have to raise this up a little bit because this height, okay, right. Okay, there we go, that's good enough. Okay, so we're gonna okay, hold on, guys. All right, now it's time to put on the safety cap now that I got that malfunction out the way. All right, so as you can see, there is no safety cap on my tripod. So I'll put my safety cap into a hard case. It says believe, I think, something along the lines of that. And then I'm going to take my safety cap out of the case. All right. And then I'm going to come on here. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to move everything. Okay, there. I'm going to come on here. And I'm going to just twist, twist, twist. There you go. And it basically keeps your screw on your your tripod from ripping your camera bag, and I like that. Okay, now I'm just taking the height adjusters and sliding them down. Now for this to fold up, Okay. It folds up in one of the weirdest ways I think I've ever seen for a tripod. Okay. Warning, this is not your average tripod fold. Okay, it's just not. So you can see me doing it here. I'm pushing upwards. To get it to fold up. And that's because, yeah, I could have made that a crap ton easier, but it folds up to be like this. And then the safety cap is just boop right there. I don't know why it folds up like that. I guess, I don't know. But, yeah, I guess trying to be unique, I guess. And then I'm gonna take my case that my cap was in, this right here, and then I'm gonna zip it up. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more ring light and tripod videos, let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.